Thank you for purchasing a Vinyl Systems cutting machine from Heat Press Nation. If this is your first vinyl cutter, or if you're upgrading from a craft cutter, you'll want to familiarize yourself with how to load materials onto your new cutter. Let's take a detailed step-by-step look into loading materials on the Vinyl Systems cutting machines. With the cutter powered on, lift up the pinch rollers on the back. On Evo machines, simply push the lever up to raise all of the pinch rollers at once. Feed your media through the cutting area, making sure the cuttable side is facing up. If loading a roll of material, you'll want to feed it through the back of the cutter. Once it's through, position your media and pinch wheels together. One wheel should be above the media's left edge and the other on its right edge. On specialist machines, you can position your material anywhere within the cutting area, moving the pinch rollers to the material's left and right edges. As you do so, be sure that the rollers avoid the center and outer edges of the specialist's cutting area. For Edge and Evo machines, you'll need to position your material and pinch rollers within the half box marks above the cutting area. The wheel must be positioned completely under the white box, though it does not have to be centered. Positioning the pinch rollers outside of these marks causes poor grip on your media, resulting in misfeeds, skewed cuts, and ruined materials. Regardless of what cutter you're using, it's important to load your material completely straight. Using the rulers on the front of the machine, align your material to be perfectly straight. This is essential to ensure proper tracking across extended lengths of media. If you're working with standard width materials of 15 inches or less, only 2 pinch wheels are needed for proper tracking. Though if you're using materials 20 inches or wider, using the third pinch wheel will help prevent your media from bunching in the center. Once your material and pinch rollers are properly positioned, clamp the rollers back down. On Evo cutters, push the blade roller lever back down to lock all of them in place at once. With the material now loaded, press the offline or pause button and move the blade to the bottom right corner of your material. To do this, use the cutter's directional buttons. The left and right arrows will move the blade carriage, while the up and down arrows will feed the media in and out. Press the origin button to set your new start point. On Evo machines, simply hit the center crosshairs button instead. If you'd like to learn how to load heat transfer paper onto Vinyl Systems Edge or Evo machines, you can watch our Contour Cutting with SignMaster video for details on that process. You'll also learn how to complete a contour cut job from start to finish with the Vinyl Systems SignMaster Pro software. For any questions or additional help with Vinyl Systems machines, you can always contact a MyExpert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Thanks for watching.